Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well. We are going to learn about a very important topic of subject science for class 7. And the topic is heterotrophic nutrition in plants. At the end of this video, you'll be able to classify the plants in various categories on the basis of their mode of nutrition. Students, as we know, plants are also known as autotrophs. Autotrophs means they can produce their own food from the substances available in their surroundings using light, and the process is known as photosynthesis. What are heterotrophs then? Hetero means other, trophic means nutrition. Organisms that obtain their energy by breaking down the food obtained from other organisms. These plants use heterotrophic mode of nutrition to derive food for their survival. Now you must be thinking, how can a plant be heterotroph? So students, here I'll tell you that there are various plants, those who obtain their food from other organisms, and we'll discuss about this one in detail to comprehend the concepts well. So first one is parasitic plant. A parasitic plant is a plant that derives some or all of its nutritional requirement from another living plants. All parasitic plants have modified roots called hostoria, which penetrate the host plant. Herein you can see the picture of amarbale or cuscuta, and this one is the tomato, and this amarbale is coiling around the stem of tomato in order to obtain nutrition. This yellow colored portion which you can see is amarbale or cuscuta, which is a parasitic plant, and tomato here would be called as host because cuscuta is obtaining food from the tomato. Next is saprophytic plant. A saprophyte or saprotroph is an organism which gets its energy from dead and decaying organic matter. This may be decaying pieces of plants or animals. Example, mushroom, which is very common. You can see picture here wherein mushroom obtain food from the plants around or the other surfaces around. It can be any decayed matter. The next one and the third category is symbiotic plant. As we know, symbiotic relationship means mutually interdependent relationship. Two different kinds of organisms live together for their mutual benefit. For example, algae, which is an autotroph, and fungus, which is an saprophyte, live together in lichen, and such a mutually beneficial relationship is called symbiosis. Herein, students, I would like to tell you, the plant lives somewhere in the mutual relationship in order to get the food. The plant get food from the organism, and the organism in return get any other product, as for example some useful gases or something else. The fourth and the last one is insectivorous plant. As the word suggests, insectivorous means these plants trap insects. Yes, students, you heard it right. They can trap insects. As you can see in the picture, they are green in color. It means one thing is very clear. They have chlorophyll and they can perform photosynthesis. Now the question comes, if they can perform photosynthesis, then why do they trap insects? So the answer is here. These plants grow in humid areas where plenty of sunlight and moisture is found. The nutrients in the most soil are less. That is why they trap and digest insects to absorb nutrients. So students, here I'll be concluding the lesson by recapitulating through this mind map. Mode of nutrition in plants are of two types: autotrophs, wherein they can make their food using the things available in the surrounding by the process of photosynthesis. Heterotrophs, it means they are dependent upon other organisms for their nutrition. And there are four categories: insectivorous, wherein they can trap insects and get the nutrition; parasites, where they are dependent upon other organism or other plant for their food; symbiotic, wherein they live in mutual relationship with the other organism and obtain nutrition; and the last one, saprophytic, wherein they depend upon the dead and decayed matter for their nutrition. So I hope this lesson will help you to understand the concept of heterotrophic nutrition in plants. Thank you.